Hello and welcome to 4am Art. This is Justin, and in this video we'll be drawing this lioness in pencil. So we'll start with a circle for the head and draw all the features, including the nose, eyes, and ears. And this is where it's very important to make sure your proportions are right. Look at it twice, 3 times over, and erase as needed. I'm using a mechanical pencil here with HB lead, just your regular hardness lead, which lets me draw light lines which are easy to erase as needed. But it still lets me draw some darker lines with additional pressure on the pencil. By this point, I'm pretty happy with my proportions, my rough sketch. So I'm finalizing some lines with a darker, softer leaded mechanical pencil. This one actually has 4B lead. And I'm going ahead and starting to draw some outlines, putting in some of the darker shading. And I'll switch over to the other pencil for the additional shading with the lighter tones. Again, to get a range of values with one pencil, you can vary the pressure that you place, but a really nice tip would be to just add additional layers. So you can work yourself from lighter tones to darker tones simply by adding more layers of shading. I'm back to my HB pencil here for the general shading, and I can get a really wide range of tones. And notice that I'm using a scribbly type of shading, which gives it an additional texture for the hair or the fur. And it's just scribble little circles and stuff, and it really gives it a nice texture. So go over it a few times, get the areas darker where it needs to be darker. And that should be pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more drawing tutorials. Take care, and I'll see you at the next video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.